everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So I love looking at the dishware section, so come on with me guys. All right, so I think I've seen these dishes before. I really like them. They're really nice. I think they're $2.48. So you do have to buy these pieces separately unless they come in the box. And then the salad plate is $1.48, and then here's some bowls. So this belongs to this set right here. So that's $1.12 a plate, and then they have the bowl. Then these are kind of nice right here. I'm liking these. I'm liking those. And here are the dinner plates to this, and those look like they're in a pack of 4. So I could be wrong. So these cups here and this bowl looks like it matches this set right here. So I'm not understanding that, but I can tell you I absolutely love this black set. Okay, $1.98, and then here are the cups that go with it. Here, I love this bowl. This reminds me of a Kirkland set that I saw. Here you have the salad plate, and back there you have the dinner plate. Oh, this is new. So guys, let me see. I don't think I can get it down on my own, but as you can see the pattern there, it's in a set of 4. Just the dinner plates, $10, $9.97. So that is new as far as I can tell. I don't think I've ever seen that here. Then you have your Corrals. So let's see. If you're looking for them in the box, I like that black set. Very nice. And then you have your Pioneer Woman set, and you know those can run up to $50. They are very pretty if you like this kind of style. Here's some dinner plates in different styles. I don't think I ever saw this one. This might be new, and this one. This set here I haven't bought this plate, but I have bought that one. Very pretty. And this pink here, I don't think I ever saw. I don't think I ever saw that. $3.34. And they have a gray one here. And look at this. This is new. Haven't seen that before. Look at the green. I'm loving the green. $4.49. And I love the stoneware. So this is very pretty. Very pretty. I like that. Oh, I like that, guys. Look at this one here. This one is new. Very pretty. So here's the bowls. Let's see. So this is the stoneware that I like. This blue is something new. Okay. And this green right here. I think it belongs with that dish over there. So we do have some new items here, guys, so you might want to come and look. And I absolutely love this section over here. I always show it to you. These are great serving trays. Like you can put this against a charcuterie board. I like this one. It's already divided. And I love the step down trays. Here are the ramekins. They even have these square little sauce and the trays to go. What is this? A noodle bowl. And then this here, this is really nice. It's a huge tray. So we have this one, which is $8.94. Then we have the bowl. It's a nice salad bowl. I'm loving that marble. So this is $8.94. And then this humongous tray here is $11.96. I have always loved this butter dish. So hopefully I'll be getting that soon. Then we have the salt and pepper shaker. And look at these trays, guys. This is so nice for entertaining or just for family. The ramekins are over here. Okay. See, so this is like a chip and bowl set. I'm sorry, did I say chip and dip? Oh man, I'm so tired, guys. All right. That one is not going in well. So look at the wooden bowls. I'm loving their wood stuff. I think that one is $19.94. This tray right here, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. I'm loving those tins on the bottom. And then you have this one. Look at that. Look how long it is too. 1994. So let's see. So that's pretty much it as far as this section goes. Like I said, all of these things, you could tell which ones are new. If not, I would just go ahead and come. This is the set I wanted to get, the full set, and it doesn't come in a box. You have to get them when they have them, when they're fully stocked. And then you have your Pioneer Woman, as I said before. I think I see 1 or 2 different styles, and of course these plates that I showed you right here. Those bowls are really nice. And then look at the colors. These are great for summertime. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.